Alright guys, I had a dominant break on my screen. So this is what I mean by a dominant break. Do you see this shadow here, this block? So the whole red candle here now, this whole red candle is what I used to draw this block. So as you can see, what I mean by a dominant break is, for like in this example, you see that the red candle engulfed this blue one. So it engulfed this blue one that is following it and another one. So what you are basically looking out for is the one that will break out of this whole range, this whole blue, the shadow. Hope you are seeing the block I used as the shadow. So it's actually a range. I used the red candle to measure this range. So now the red candle is engulfing almost every candle that is coming out. So in this case now it engulfed 2. So we got a breakout from the 3rd candle, right? So maybe I will take out this my Fibonacci so you can see what I mean. Now look clearly, forget about the Fibonacci now. You can also forget about this zone that is above here. So now this red candle engulfed this blue candle that is following it and another one. So whenever you see this kind of setup, it's called a dominant break. So the candle engulfed this one. It mustn't be 2 candles, it can be like 3, 4, 5, 6. But what you are basically looking out for is the one that will break out of the zone. As you can see the zone, I'm moving the zone now, this is zone. So now I use the red candle to measure the zone. So look out for the one that will break out of the zone and close above the zone. So you can see the breakouts happened on the 3rd candle, which is blue. If I zoom in, you see the 3rd candle here is this blue one that closed above, right? It must break and close above the zone. So that is where you draw your Fibonacci from. So if I bring up my Fibonacci now and draw it from the body, not the wick now, from the body of the blue candle that closed above all the way to the wick. It doesn't matter if the wick, the lowest wick you see is from the red candle that engulfed or from another candle. Just go down to the lowest wick you see. Then from above it must be from the body of the candle, not the wick. So this candle now, this blue candle that closed above is what I use now, not the wick. It doesn't have a wick, but even if it has a wick, I won't use the wick, I'll use the body. So from the body of this blue candle that broke and closed above the zone, so to the wick. Now if I zoom out, now you see how the Fibonacci is placed. So let me zoom out a little. Now do you see this? So now this is it. If I extend this, see this whole zone is the dominant break. So now if a dominant break happens, you might as well, like once the candle closed, you can wait for it to retrace into the 50 zone or 61.8. As you can see, immediately the thing closed, you wait for a retracement into this zone, the 60 or 61.8, the 50 or the 61.8 zone. Then you take your trade. So I didn't see when the candle got to this zone, so I saw it from here and I know it's going to this next zone, which is where I put this zone here. Yeah, so this is where I'm waiting for the market to either make a small reversal. So if the market doesn't reverse here, it doesn't matter, that's where my TP is. But if it doesn't reverse here, then it's going to this next level. So that's a dominant break. Whenever you spot this dominant break, it doesn't matter if it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. What matters is that the red one engulfed all of them, and then you are looking out for the one that will break above and close, then a retracement to 61.8 or 50 zone of the Fibonacci. Then you take your trade and exit at this zone above. So if it happens the other way around, because this time around the market is going up, so if it were to be a down market, then you look out for the same setup but in another the other way around. So let me show you the settings of the Fibonacci. So just this is the settings of the Fibonacci. You can screenshot or just pause the video. So if I tap on these levels now, you can copy down the levels. So these are the levels on the settings. So the market just closed and I think the reversal has started. So this is the exit zone or reversal. So it might make a little retracement to the downside, or it might as well continue to the downside, since this is a downtrend already. So the market might continue to the downside or just retrace a little bit and then go up to the next zone. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.